It's the RX-79, the ground type, the Gundam, the PG perfect grade, the conversion kit. Use the resin part, and height is almost the same with the other the PG size Gundam, and the replace the out of the armors from the original to the conversion part, the resin part. This is the prototype of this model kit. I made this 11 or 10 years ago, and I did all the from the sculpt all and painting, even painting too. So yes, a long time ago, it was sold several pieces to the in this country and overseas too. So these days it's difficult to buy this kit, to buy this legend part for this ground type Gundam these days. It's just a prototype, and I painted only one, this kit. Yes, this kit has several little function, not important function. For example, it can open this cockpit cap. Even I made some small detail inside of the cockpit. And about the rifle. The machine gun is not like a machine gun. It has some little function like this, and it has like this metal sticker to express some steel detail. And first I planned to make even container box behind of this model kit to combine this backpack, but I had no time to make a container box together, so I stopped to only the main body, shield, machine gun, the frame of this backpack. So, but this backpack frame has some function to combine with the container like this. Oh my god. It's combine use this neodymium the magnet to put inside this container box first, but I didn't, and even I'm not sure to make this container box in future too, because I have a lot of a project, and I'm on the a lot of work day these days. So yes, this it's finish today review of what I made like this Gundam. Thank you. Bye bye.